Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. A wonderful day have already started, and I know you all are busy, but just 3 to 5 minutes, kindly listen to this so that the rest of the day goes well, so that your rest of the week goes well, so that your rest of the life goes well. Try to spend 3 to 5 minutes listening to this. Okay, today I'll say about five small steps towards happiness that can brighten your journey through life. The first important step is to smile more. Yes, you heard me right. A genuine smile has the power to lift your spirits and connect you with others. So it's like a little burst of sunshine that radiates positivity. So try to smile often, whether at a stranger or at a loved one or even at yourself in the mirror. Let your smile be the reflection of your inner joy. Okay? So smile more. The next point that you should remember is to think less. I know it's tough and it's really hard to think less because I might myself also is unable to think less at times. Okay, but you can try. So our minds can be a noisy place. It can be filled with worries, regrets, and lots of overthinking. Happiness lies in simplifying. So practice mindfulness. Is a very important thing. Observe your thoughts without any judgment and let go of all the unnecessary mental clutter. Just try to focus on the present moment and you will find peace inside you. Okay? The next point is to be present. I mean to say that past is a memory and the future is a mystery. So the only reality that is the very moment that you are right now. So embrace it fully. Whether you are sipping your morning coffee or listening to the bird song or sharing a laughter with your friends and family, try to immerse yourself in the now. Life unfolds beautifully when you are at your present. Okay? The next point towards your happiness is giving more. Generosity is a secret ingredient of happiness. Give your time, give your kindness and love freely. Help a neighbor, try to volunteer, do simple lend a listening ear to someone. When you give, you receive a warm heart, a sense of purpose, and the joy of making a huge difference. I hope you're understanding and trying to do the points that I'm mentioning from now itself. Okay, the final point is try to expect less. It's very important. Expectations can lead to disappointments, so instead cultivate gratitude. Appreciate the small victories, the ordinary moments, and the simple pleasures. When you expect less, you open yourself to a lot of delightful surprises. Life becomes a delightful journey rather than a checklist. So remember, happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of traveling. So these are the stepping stones. Each one can bring you closer to that inner glow inside you. I hope you all have a wonderful life. You all have a brighter day. Thank you for listening.